Mentagsi ke arpotrik leber arjar arpendreu menteri rangba ke jylla Conrad ke sama oleh Kynduh ya ke samla Sanfida Nongrum kabala mikmat ya keri India ha ke jingel ekai Asian Football Confederation na ke kenhon ya ekai ke Indian Senior Women's National Football ha ke ni ke jinglet ya ekai kabala long hari Australia ha nu benai bala thep ke samla Sanfida Nongrum kala thep ya ke gol ke beningkong na ke benta keri India ha ke te ke jingel ekai jongka doba Asia bat ke ni kala wanra ya kenam ke burom ke jylla mentag sengi menteri rang baul aya ke jingno senyang sya ke samla Sanfida da ke pisa kum ke dak ban ai mensin bat ke jing burom ya kan mar kala long ke nuksa ya ki para samla bekin don ya ke mensin man kish kmat ha ke jingile kai bat ki we ki kamde ke samla Sanfida ha ke jingi kran ke jongka kala ai kuble ya menteri rang ba ke jylla ubala ai ke jingi rap ke bakram pai perkhat bakan yo ya ke ni ke jing itu na ke sarkar kum ju ke jing kersyan na ki pai ba ke jylla ha ke kapor ke Kynduh ya ki para samla haba ki le ya kenu ke kam kide bandon ya ke thong patrish taman poisha ke batmu
support I could give that time I announced, but I just wanted to know if there's anything more we can do to support you further, to help you, and because we would like to see that sports person like you should become inspiration for others. So it's not about you alone, it's about what message you will give to the youngsters about hard work, discipline. So I would like to see that. So if there's anything you want to say, you want to mention to me, then you can always take this opportunity.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the cash award you gave me also.
Okay, you deserve it. You deserve much more.
Yes. And I feel honored to support me also. Support me. Thank you so much.
I'm thinking we'll also, because you see what I'm starting is, I'm starting one small program where I want to tell these different cement companies, that they bring all these big stars and they put all their big photos and all that, and they give the money to them. So I've told all of the companies now that I want you to pick up, our local boys and girls now, and not a big amount, but whatever small amount you can give to each one of them, and then they'll use your photo, of course, for their advertisement and all. So I'm starting that program also. So I'm calling all of them. I've given some names already, so I'll be giving your name also to them that they should give you. Then they call you and then they'll think. So just take note of that. Shiva?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll do whatever we can do for the support you.
Yes.
And just want to ask, how was the feeling when you scored the goal? Was it great?
So feeling happy.
Yeah, we all are feeling very happy. Great. So congratulations. Thank you once again.
God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.